All right, y'all, so we're at the premiere of Unbelievable, a top-notch film. We literally just saw it in the audience, and oh my goodness, I am amazed that that was your first time acting on the big screen. You could have fooled all of us. So how did you prepare for this role?
I didn't prepare, I was just already prepared.
You just did it. It was your gift, your calling, you just jumped into it and bam.
Relatable, real life issues. I went through those traumas, so it was easy to tap into somewhat, but painful reliving those moments.
In those scenes when you were crying, like I got goosebumps. Like I was crying there with you. It was so believable. And I know you had to go way back.
Way back. And I was crying for real. It was no artificial tears. It was real tears.
Like there was like story on top of, it's like, wow. The health diagnosis, the infidelity. I was like, what? There's so many twists and turns and all of that.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it was very unbelievable. Of course, there's Nollywood and all that stuff. So do you believe that we do have a Jollywood for Jamaicans, Jollywood?
Absolutely. There's a lot of raw talent there that all we need is to be able to be taught. But yes, we definitely have everything from productions to actress and actors.
Asher. Oh my gosh.
Jacob.
How was he? Like, did you have to school him? Like, how was he on set?
He was easy. He was coachable. He did very well. My beautiful gown is from SAS Miami Boutique.
Our star star. Thank you so much. Good job. Yes, Betty. I love you. I love you too.